Hi, this is Mark with Brand Source Service, and today we're going to talk about air filters in your Electrolux refrigerator. So, Frigidaire Electrolux are going to be the same brand. The filters are really easy to change. Unfortunately, if you don't know where you're looking, they're very hard to find. So on this particular model, it's going to be here underneath this butter door, and it does say air filtration system. Most people do not see that. But once you reach in here, you have an air filter. It has your directions exactly how to pull this cover off and put it back in place. And then it tells you about how long you need to use them, which is just about a couple months. And you put the new one in, drop that down. Alright, so after you've replaced your air filter, you just need to reset the control board so it knows that you put in the new filter. So this one unfortunately already tells us it's good, but if it were to say replace, after you replace it, you're going to press and hold this button. Once you hear that beep, it is reset.